What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And if you are not already, sis, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Theharelife and Theharelife Official. Today I tried something new. I tried the exotic baby hair look. Okay, y'all, so I lost the rest of my intro, so I'm about to do a quick voiceover. I just got to give y'all a little tea on what's about to go down. So I'm really excited about this video, you guys. I filmed this last year. If y'all saw my Alma BB unboxing video, then y'all would know like this is that same day. So this was filmed. This might already be up on a year already, but I lost my SD card, finally found it, and it sparked an idea for me to start a vendor series. So moving forward, you guys, these videos will not be filmed in this format at all. I kind of just want to show you guys at the time. I was just filming to show you guys me trying the exotic baby hairs and showing you that you can have that frontal look with the sideburn and tuck your hair behind your ear with the closure. But a year later, here I am. I found my SD card. I was editing. I'm like, you know what? No, I need to do a vendor series. For those of you who don't know, I am a wig maker. Currently finishing up my maternity leave. I'm going to be back real soon. I'll leave my website down below for you guys. But with that being said, like, I have spent so much money, y'all, over the past few years testing hair. It's not even funny. Like, it honestly makes me sick to my stomach thinking about it. And if I can help somebody not spend as much money as I have testing out vendors, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm super excited. These videos will not be filmed in this format, like I said, but we will talk about that in a minute. So today's vendor video is going to be on KABEILU, aka KPL. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of them before. If not, they are very well known. They've been around for a long time, and they are a ton of people's vendors, big companies, smaller companies, all that good stuff. So I'm showing you guys, these are 4 bundles of their deep curly hair. Y'all, please keep in mind I said deep curly, not loose curly, not regular curly, deep curly chop. But we are going to get into that. So I'm just showing you guys. I had already washed the bundles at this point. And this is their blue band hair, but I did take off the bands initially when I got the hair. So I did make my wig and I fit all 4 bundles onto my little tiny head. I will also link down below the mannequin hair for you guys. So the lace, this is not KBL's lace. This is my HD lace from my vendor. If any of you guys are looking for a good HD lace vendor, I have mine available on my website. I've been using this vendor for over 2 years now, and I love them. And if y'all know me, y'all know I do a lot of color. The hair bleaches to 613, all that good stuff. So I'll leave that down below for you guys with a discount code for y'all watching this video. So anyway, this is what the hair look like. And I always just go in and do another wash after construction. Okay, so I did wash this hair with some, I want to say it was the Aussie 3-minute curls. I'll link it down below for you guys because it's really good for virgin curly hair. I haven't tried it on any raw curly hair, but I do know it's good on virgin curly that I have tried. So I'm going to be giving you guys my KBL review, but this portion of the video, obviously I was showing you guys the prep work for my customization. So I'm using my hot comb on 465 like I always do. These hot combs are available on my website as well as my wax sticks. So I'm just gonna go in and do what I usually do, and I'm just gonna give you guys like a little review on the hair. I don't know if I mentioned the inch earlier. This is 4 bundles of 26-inch deep curly hair from KABEILU KBL. So I will leave their updated prices up on the screen as well as the rep that I have. I have tried their straight hair. I've tried their body wave hair. I have tried the loose wave hair as well as this deep curly. Those are the only textures I have tried from them. And I have to say, you guys, this is probably a very unpopular opinion, but I have to keep it 100 with y'all. I do not think KBL is worth the price, and I will say I don't think it's worth the price anymore. Currently in 2022, I do not think it's worth the price. But in the past, I've tried this hair years before, not this texture. I've tried it like the body wave or straight some years before. The quality of the hair, you guys, it's not the same. It is not the same at all. If any of you guys have already tried this, let me know how y'all feel. Like, is it just me or has the quality gone down? That's just how I feel. This hair is no longer wholesale, quote unquote, wholesale price in my opinion either. I really feel like KBO should just, honestly, just retail their hair, because that's pretty much what they're doing, saying it's wholesale. Don't get me wrong, I am not saying that this is some horrible hair. I'm not saying it's trash. I have come across some trash ass hair, y'all. This is not one of those. I just feel like if they're going to charge us raw hair prices, we should be getting raw hair quality. I will say their bundles are some of the fuller bundles of virgin hair that I've received, as well as weight wise. I've received some bundles from them that were about 3.7, and y'all know virgin hair is usually no more than 3.5 ounces. It's usually 3 to 3.5 ounces, and like I said, I've had some 3.7. But the smell of this hair, y'all, is horrible. The hair stinks so bad. I'm not even being dramatic. Now, when I was pregnant last year, I couldn't wear this wig. Like, after my pregnancy hormones kicked in, I could not wear this wig. I literally had to jet black the hair to get the smell. Washing it didn't do anything. Apple cider vinegar didn't do anything. Fabric softener did not do anything. When I tell y'all, this hair smelled so bad. I mean, it stinks. If you ever had KBO hair, you know what I'm talking about. It's like a corn chip smell. It's not good. Like, you pay all that money to have to possibly bleach it or dye it to get the smell out. That's, first of all, insane. Even if you ask them not to use the lotion, I can't think of the name of what it is. Even if you ask them not to use that, I have still gotten bundles with that smell. It's just no. It's just a no for me. Pros of the hair, I will say it bleaches beautifully. It bleaches to 613. You can color any color you like. It curls, straightens, crimps, any style you want it to do, it will do it, and it will last you for a while. Like, it's really good for that. Pretty much, I feel like the straight texture has more short hairs than I would like. But honestly, if you are looking for straight virgin hair from them to try, I would honestly get the loose wave and straighten it out. It also holds a curl better than the straight, in my opinion, as well as the body wave. Like, I just prefer their loose wave for like a straighter texture. I know that probably sounds crazy, but if you've tried it, then you know what I'm talking about. Also, another thing that is a con to KBO, their shipping is quite high for a virgin hair vendor. Now, your standard shipping with them is going to be $38, and is going to increase the more bundles you purchase. So if you are only ordering one bundle or 3-4 bundles, you're gonna pay $38 for shipping. Like I said, the more you order, the higher it will get. And on top of that, KBO charges you a PayPal fee, which most vendors do. They use PayPal, even though they're not supposed to. They charge us anyway. It just comes with the territory. If you want the hair, you pay the fee. If not, then you don't. They also charge you an insurance fee, y'all. I'm just like, what other fees are y'all about to pull out now? Because this is getting to be too much. And speaking from a business owner perspective, you have to add all of those fees into your pricing when you're trying to profit off of these bundles or your wigs. This wig was fine for about a month or two. Then it started to shed really bad. Like, every single time I would wash it, it was shedding a lot. And it was also tangling really, really bad. Like, it was the nape of my neck, it was tangled. So one thing about this curly hair that completely just turned me off of it was the fact that all 4 bundles were not curly. My bottom 2 bundles, you guys will be able to see better, like, once it's on my head and everything. But those bottom 2 bundles were not curly. They were given like a deep wave, maybe not loose wave. I'll give it deep wave. I'll give it a deep wave, but it was not curly. The curl, like the deep curls that y'all are seeing on the top part of my wig, that's my closure from my vendor. that's the curl pattern from my vendor. Those curly bundles, the bottom two were definitely like deep wave, and then my top two were a little bit more curly, but they still weren't as curly as I felt that they should have been. And I have friends that have tried this same curl pattern. One of my friends had her curly hair, it was literally curlier than all four of my bundles, and another one of my friends, hers was just not even curly at all. Like, hers was not even deep wavy. I don't know what that was. But the crazy thing about it, all of our bundles looked the same upon us washing them. Like, they looked really, really curly, but then when we washed them, we got different results, and I just didn't like that. And I find it very strange because it's steamed hair. I would expect that from raw hair. You know, when you get raw Indian curly, you have to wash it so you can see what the curls are going to look like. But virgin hair, it's all supposed to look the same every single time. So that's weird. But yeah, y'all can see right here, like, that back part is not curly. Like, it's not curly. And y'all can see on the side, my closure is definitely curlier than these bundles. So I didn't like that at all. So I'm going to show you guys how I did maintain the curls and how I like refreshed them and everything, and how I like slept at night. Okay, y'all, so this is the exact same unit, but I did switch it from the side to a middle part. And I just want to show y'all what it looks like when the curls are not defined. This is what it looks like. And let me see if I can show you guys the back. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yes, this is what it looks like undefined. I just wanted to show you guys, and again, this is 26 inches. And I also want to show you guys how I've been preserving this at night. So obviously it won't look like this when the curls are defined, but if I'm really tired and kind of lazy, then I will just split one side into two, and then I'll just make a big twist on each side and all the way down to the ends like this. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. But if I actually have time and I'm not rushing, then I will take the back section, put this in a twist, another twist up here. So all in all, I have 4 twists. So you can do, like I said, either one on each side, or you can do 2 on each side. So I know someone's gonna ask, so I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. And I did try these new like straight baby hairs. I've never done these on myself before, and I actually really like it for the middle part. So yeah, I just wanted to show you off that. Usually we'll do this in my bathroom, just because I feel like the spray bottle kind of takes too long. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna show you guys with my spray bottle. That you either want to take, you know, do this in your sink or shower or with your spray bottle. So I just like to spray it all down, and you don't have to like drench it. I kind of just like to get it nice and wet. Okay, so I just want to get up close so you guys can see, like, I'm not soaking the hair. Just getting like a good mist on it. And you can see the top curls are already starting to pop. And if you have recently done this, like I said, I did this yesterday, I'm not gonna have to use that much mousse because you can kind of feel it activating. And as you can see, hopefully it'll focus on the hair and not my face. Okay, so you guys can see like the top is already starting to get its definition back. So yeah, y'all can see that right there. It's more so the back that I need to like really get wet so I can redefine the curls. Okay, and I just wanted to show you guys from detangling this section. That's how much hair. That's how much hair came out from this section. Now, I'm gonna take my Perfection Collection mousse. You already know, this is my favorite. I'm gonna pump some in my... Okay, y'all, so this side is freshly done. This side is already starting to dry. You guys can see it's a little bit more full on this side than over here. So I will be back in a little bit to show you guys the finished look, and I'm gonna just turn it back so you guys can see what it's giving. So like y'all saw, like at the beginning, everything was fine. Like the shedding and everything didn't get bad until like month 2 or 3. And then that's when everything went bad. But I couldn't deal with that, the smell, and the fact that the curls do not dry as defined. So y'all can see these videos and pictures I'm posting. The bottom still is not curly, and I just could not get with that. So yeah, this is my review on this curly hair from KBL. Like I said, if you guys are interested in trying, I will leave the rep that I have worked with before down below, and I'll link some of the reps for you guys as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited about this vendor series. I will have another vendor series in the format that they're going to be filmed in from now on coming up this week. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye.